Hi, Mark from Sounds of Music here, and today I'm going to be playing the song Singing in the Rain, including the little riff that we play at the beginning and the end of the song. That riff goes with you play the open string, first string, then first, third, first on the second string, then the second fret of the third string, followed by the first fret of the E string again. And then you repeat that, but this time you finish on the C string, so it'll be... So we play that little riff at the beginning and end of the piece. Otherwise, we'll be using the chords F and C7. I hope you can play along, and I hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm singing in the rain.